Have you ever wondered how we get the nocks on the end of our longbows so nice and shiny? Well, Mr. Robin here has the secret. If we ask him nicely, perhaps he'll show us how. As you can see, we use an old electric drill which we've designed specifically to this task. Clamp it into a workmate, and into the chuck we put in a polishing wheel which you can find on Amazon or any other online store. Onto that polishing wheel we put some T-cut, but you could use any other car rubbing down compound. And once we've got the drill going, it's a case of carefully holding the bow and placing the nock gently against the side of the polishing wheel and turning as you go. And once you're happy with one nock, you can turn the bow around and start on the other. This mechanised method really does improve the speed of polishing the nocks and the finish that you get overall, and also saves you a lot of elbow grease. And once you're done, check the nocks closely to see if there's any bits of polish that you need to remove by hand. Well, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give us a like and a thumbs up, and consider subscribing if you haven't done already, and check out the other videos that are on the screen now. Thanks for watching.